Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started a AutoCAD tutorial series in English, so this is its 9th lesson, and in this lesson I will discuss about mirror, stress, and scale command in AutoCAD. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, just you can watch the previous video. I have already uploaded about AutoCAD tutorial, and also they have many video about civil engineering related, about different types of software related. So let's start. First of all, I'll open AutoCAD. So here is our AutoCAD, and now I will show you at first about mirror command. So what is mirror? Suppose this is object and this is a mirror, and we all know that the mirror inside of object inside of mirror will be like that. So I'll draw that by using mirror command. So first of all, I will copy that. Suppose here I will copy that, and I will draw a, suppose this is a mirror, and see this is object, and we'll mirror that. So suppose this is the wall, mirror wall. Now at first I have to click MI, then enter, or otherwise you can use also the mirror object from here. Then it's showing here mirror. Select object, then select object which we want to mirror, then enter. Then it's showing a specific first point of mirror line. So what is the mirror line? This is the mirror line, and it is we can select any of points. So I will consider this is the first point, and then it's showing specify the first point of mirror line, specify the second point of mirror line. So we have to click here second point of mirror line, then press enter. Okay, so this is our mirror command. By using that mirror command, you can draw any object like that. So in this way we will use mirror command. Now suppose I'll use that. Suppose we'll draw mirror of it. So how I will use that? Suppose this is the line, and with respect to that line we'll draw the mirror. So for that we have to enter MI, then select object. Here is the object, then enter. Then especially the first point of mirror line, this is the first point, and especially the second point of mirror line, this is the second point. Then press enter. So like that way we can use our mirror command. Okay, so this is the way to use our mirror command. Now we'll go for another command. It's stress. Suppose this is a rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. So if we select that, now if we want to move that point, it's possible. If we want to move that point, it's also possible. If we want to move that point, it's also possible. But in this way we cannot provide the definite value here as we required. So for that, suppose I will draw here a rectangle again with 20 inch length. So for that, if we see the dimension, it's on feet 6.4 inch. So if it's showing very little. So if I go here, format, dimension style, modify, then text. Here if we use suppose it's 3, then OK, then set current, then close. Sorry, it's being very dimension style, modify, text, 1 inch. So we can change that according to our requirement anytime. So suppose this is a rectangle with the length of 20 inch. So I need to increase that. So to increase that, we can use stress S, then press enter. Okay, select the object. So click here, then again enter. So specify the base point. So here. So if we use that way, like that way, it will not work, it will just move. Suppose select object, then specify base point. This is the base point, and like that it will move like that. Okay, it will move like that, not will stress. So how we'll do that for stress? So for stress, again click S, then enter, then select the object. So how will object, which side we want to stress? Suppose this line we want to stress, we will increase in that direction, so we have to select like that way. Only that option will be selected, then press enter, then specify the object. Now see, I will so here, suppose now I want to offset that 4 inch. So enter here. So like that way we can increase our stress. Suppose again S, enter, select. Now I want to stress at that corner. That corner I want to stress. So I'll select only that corner, then enter, then specify the base point anywhere. Suppose you want to, if you specify that point, it will move that corner. Okay, is it clear to you? So if you move in that direction, it will move that corner. So if you change that, so if you move in that direction, it will move also that corner. So in this way we can use our stress option. So after that we'll use our scale command. Suppose this is a line of 20 inch. Okay, this is a line of 20 inch. So if we see that from here, that point to that point, this is a line of 20 inch. This is a 20 inch line, but now we want to move increase that line in our desired length. So how will do that? By using scale command we can do that. So click SC, then enter. Now select the object, enter. Now specify the base point. Here is the important thing. What is the base point? Suppose if we select middle point, it will increase our required length in that direction and also that direction. If we select that point, it will increase in that direction, and if we select in that point, it will increase from that point. So suppose if I select that midpoint, then specify scale factor. Now suppose this is our at which scale we want to increase that. Suppose I want to increase that in 1.5 times of the present scale. So we'll give here 1.5, then press enter. So see that here 2 feet 6 inch, I mean 30 inch. Now if I see you, if I draw the line here, some line, suppose 1 here, 1, okay, and here on. Now I will show you that another thing. Again press SC, then enter, then select the object. This is our object, then again enter, specify the base point. Now if we select that point, I have told you that if we select that point, in that direction it will increase. So select that point and specify scale factor. So I will use scale factor 1. Sorry, I will use scale factor suppose 2. Then here just see it's increasing that direction. So from here to here. Okay, so in this way you can do your work. So if I go Ctrl Z back, and if I see another again SC scale factor, select object, enter, base point or middle point, base point will be our middle point, then specify the scale factor, sort with the scale factor, suppose scale factor will be again 2, then enter. Just see this time from that set and that set it's have been increases. So in this way you can use the scale in AutoCAD. So that's all for today. In next video I will try to come with another interesting part, and if you think that that's helpful for you, press the like button and also share that video much more, and also leave a comment for any suggestion, and your on like and on comment encourage us for the next work. So thank you very much. Stay well, stay connected till next video.